So now here exercise 13.1 and question number 6. A small indoor greenhouse herbarium is made entirely of glass panes including base, held together with tape. It is 30 cm long, 25 cm wide and 25 cm high. Firstly, you have to calculate the area of the glass. This is very simple. For calculating the area of the glass, just we have to use twice in bracket length breadth plus breadth height plus height length, which is the total surface area of the glass, because here the bottom part is also included. So that is the answer of the first one. Simply we have to put the values. And but in the second one, how much of tape is needed for all the 12 edges? There are the 12 edges. So in those 12 edges, 4 is length, 4 is breadth and 4 is height. Okay, how? There are the two faces na, दो faces होते हैं. In the front face there are the two length and in the back face again there are the two lengths. Similarly, if we compare the top and bottom part, so there are the two breadth on the top part and the two breadth on the bottom part. Similarly, when we compare the right and the left face, there are the two height part on one side and two height part on the other side. Now this is for the question number 6. For herbarium, we have to calculate the area. Length, breadth and height is given to you, and the area of the glass, which is the total surface area, that is twice length breadth plus breadth height plus height length. Now when we put the value, okay, then that is 30 into 25 plus 25 into 25 plus 25 into 30, then 2 750 plus 625 plus 750. When we solve this, we will have 2 into 2125 equals to 4250 centimeter square. Okay, now this is the answer for the first part, that is where we have to calculate the area of the glass. Now in the second part we have to find the length. So the tape needed for all the 12 edges, as I already explained, that there are the 4 length, 4 breadth and 4 type of heights. When we are seeing something like this, then okay, this is one length, this is one length, this is another length, 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, similarly when we see breadth, 1 2 3 4. Now about height, 1 2 3 4. That's why 4 length, 4 breadth and 4 height, and we take 4 outside as common, length plus breadth plus height. Okay, now 30 plus 25 plus 25, we will get 320 centimeter. Okay, so this is for the length of the tape.